Hello friends, wish you all a very happy Onam 2018. So in this vlog I am going to show you my flower carpet which I made specially for this 2018 Onam. And this flower carpet is sure to give you some inspiration to help Kerala rebuild its glory back and help the people of Kerala. So these are all the flowers that I bought. There will be one more video coming soon on how I purchased and where I purchased these flowers. That will be also a vlog. Now I have started the preparation for the flower carpet. I am going to separate all the petals. At first I am going to work with these orange marigolds. While removing the petals from the orange marigold, please be careful that you don't take off the black thing. That will spoil your the look of your Attapookalam. Here are my tiny red roses. And that's the fingers of my baby girl. She was very curious and happy seeing all the flowers and started helping me, working out, removing the petals. So whenever you do these kind of activities at home, please involve your children. They feel very happy. Look how fresh these marigolds are. And the marigolds are also done. And here are the roses which you use for making the essence. So these flowers I am going to keep as it is. I am not going to remove the petals. And I have opened up the petals of the lotus and kept aside. I started with making outline and slowly started working out with the Attapookalam. I will also leave you the link where you have to donate if you feel donating for the people. So you can contribute your helping hands to them. This time I didn't want my Pookalam to be normal and usual. And she was very happy doing this. Very polite. We didn't stop her doing anything. And yes, my flower carpet is done. Now let me show you it in a close look. Once again, I wish you all a very, very happy Onam. Save Kerala. Help to rebuild a flowerful Kerala.
Hello. Hello. Happy Onam.
Thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you liked this. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to House to Home. Save Kerala. Thanks for watching.